Good day, YouTubers! Today, you'll be enlightened about what copyright claim is. A YouTube copyright claim, most commonly called as Content ID claim, means the system detected copyrighted material in your video, but your channel is not in danger of being shut down. Here are the effects of a copyright claim on a video upload. Number 1. You cannot make money from ads on that video. Number 2. Revenue sharing. Copyright holder can take a portion or the whole earnings for that video. Number 3. Regional blocking. The owner can choose to block your video from being played in specific countries or even worldwide. Sometimes, they might mute the video. So what are the files covered by copyright? You can be copyrighted by protected audio or sound types such as musical compositions, sheet music, lyrics, and the underlying melody written by a songwriter. Next is sound recording. The specific audio track or master recording of a song performed by the artist like karaoke backing tracks or official audio track. Voiceovers and spoken word, recorded speeches, podcasts, audiobooks, or vocal performances. Sound effects, custom recorded or unique audio samples or templates created for production use. Example, intro sound templates that is not yours and is protected by copyright. You will get copyright claim. On the other hand, you can also be copyrighted by protected video types such as films and movies, online and social media videos, YouTube clips, vlogs, and streaming content. Television shows are also covered like Tom and Jerry, Cocomelon, etc. Video templates uploaded on the internet that there is no permission for public usage. Green screens can be included here as an example.